Hey everyone, today we're going to present a simple calculator program that we created using C++. The goal of this project was to allow a user to perform basic arithmetic operations using console input. My calculator can perform four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The user enters two numbers, chooses which operation they want, and the program shows the result. Sa flowchart natin, display calculator header. Pagkatapos is begin do loop, which is ang loop na ginamit natin. Tapos naman nun is input your first number and input operator na gagamitin, which is meron tayong addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Plus na din natin yung exponent. Pagkatapos nun is mag-input tayo ng second number and lalabas na ang result pag enter natin ng program. Pagkatapos nun is magdi-display ang program natin kung do you want to perform another calculation. If yes, ilalagay mo lang is Y. If no, N lang ilalagay. And if no ang pinili natin, ang lalabas na lang po is thank you for using the calculator.